What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Today met up with the homies, as you can see right there. We got Chris, we got Alex, we got Beamer fam, and we're going to this car meet tonight. It's called Beamers versus Evos. So this should be pretty interesting. I hope a bunch of BMWs come through and we take over the whole Evos. I know that we're meeting up with Mark, Nick, and a bunch of others. I think they're all just gonna meet us there. There should be a great turnout. It's gonna be a night meet, so it should be pretty fun. Hope you guys do enjoy the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's go check out the homies' whips. For starters, we got my M4 GTS, looking clean. We got the homie Chris with his M2 competition. Very nice. He added all the carbon on it. He did the spoiler, did the diffuser, did the side skirts, did the front lip. Looks super clean, and I know he did some interior mods as well. He did the Alcantara steering wheel, GTS/CS steering wheel, all the carbon trims. Looks very, very nice. First, we got the homie Beamer fam. You guys know Beamer fam. M4, straight piped, looking super clean. Very clean M4, got the front lip. The homie Alex, beautiful E92 M3, 6-speed manual. Very nice. We're kind of just taking over this gas station, guys. Alrighty, guys, well, it's time to roll out. We're gonna go to this meet. Also, guys, I cleaned the steering wheel. It feels so freaking good. It literally feels like brand new. I wish you guys could feel this in person. It's crazy. The only bad thing about living in LA, guys, the traffic. That's literally the only complaint I have about living in LA is the traffic. We've got a beautiful view of all the M's out. And look what we run into. G80, guys. Somehow yellow. It's pretty clean. Well, we just got here. As you can see, Beamer's already taken over. Look at that. We got Beamers everywhere, guys. So who do you guys think will win? The Beamers or the Evos tonight? It starts at 8. It's already almost 8 though. This M4 is sick though. It's like a purple color. Got the LCI headlights on there. All the carbon up front. It's clean. Got BBSs on it. Got the LMs on air suspension as well. You got the big APR wing carbon fiber double spoiler, third light brake diffuser, OLED style tail lights, and I just realized too, look, LEDs on the wing. Damn, that's crazy. Yeah, guys, crazy ass M4. Look at the plate. We got the homie Louise's beautiful E92 M3 on the E88s, super clean, 6-speed manual. Looks really, really good. Gotta love the E9X. My M4 looking clean, the homie Alex, the homie Enrique. It's gonna be crazy, guys. A couple JDMs over there, as you guys can see. Sheesh. Super clean M4 right there. We got a clean M4 coupe, E92 M3 with the peanut butter interior. Interlagos blue or Le Mans blue? I can't tell. I always get confused with these colors, bro. Sheesh. What's up, bro? Clean F80 M3 Silverstone. We got the 2 Series E92 M3 with the rare Vorsteiner bumper. They don't make this bumper anymore, guys. You guys know about this bumper? It's super rare to find. Sheesh. Looks super clean. M2 competition. Very nice. We got the Alpine White gang right here. Look at that. Sick. Sheesh. The homie Jason pulled up. Very clean Atlantis Blue F80 M3, and it's nice wrap, bro. Sheesh. Jason's car looks so freaking good, guys. Probably one of my favorite F80 M3s out there. The color, the wheels, the interior. It's like that white oyster interior. It just looks so freaking good. Got the carbon roof, compact, LCI 2018. Sheesh. Got the 1 Series, very clean. Super clean F82 M4. Looks hella low. Looks good. Clean E36 M3 Dakar yellow, super rare color to find. What's up, my boy? It's cracking. How are you? Hey, what's up, man? How are you? Very clean E36. It looks so freaking good. Oh shit, we got some more Beamers. Okay. I'm telling you guys, I think BMW is gonna win tonight. Look how many BMWs are pulling in. Very clean. So many BMWs, guys. Oh my gosh. A lot of FAX, a lot of E9X. That's clean, look at that. With the carbon hood, that's sick. Sheesh. Hella nice. Clean. M4 on BBS's, super nice. F82 Yas Marina blue, that looks really good. I like the little canards in the front too, that's pretty sick. 335, very sick. Pretty clean, got a wide body right here. Sick. Damn, and his right hand drive too? That is sick. Very nice. Oh my gosh, dude. GT3 RS. Beautiful G80, like that Brooklyn gray color. It's pretty sick. It's hella nice. Dude, this GT3 RS is insane, bro. Oh my gosh. We need a GT3 RS in the channel, guys. That's a clean E92 M3. Sheesh. What? Damn. The GTR today? Bro, it was a Beamer meet. Bro, you didn't get the memo? Beamers? What's up, bro?
I had to. Finally, I had to do that.
How does it feel?
Park in front of the M3.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna do it.
And we got the RX-7. Okay, okay. That's clean right there. The homie Andy. What's up? The homie Mark pulled up too. Oh my, bro, it's rocking here. Homie Idris.
Yo.
What's up, bro?
Hey, break.
Mike doesn't know how to drive. Come more right. You gotta come more right because you're sticking out a lot.
All right.
Does it have a backup camera?
Bro, I don't know how to drive this car anymore. I'm not gonna lie. Dude, you know what's funny? I'm so used to the M3, and honestly, I feel like the M3 drives better.
No.
This feels so outdated, bro.
You about to get exposed.
I know.
Hey, look who made it. What's up, bro? Sheesh. All the homies. What's up, bro? How are you? Guys, there's just too many cars today. It's crazy. Oh my god, dude. It's way too packed. This whole lot's flooded right now. As you can see, we got a bunch of BMWs though. A lot of BMWs. Clean F80 Yas Marina blue, M4 Nardo gray. People parking at Del Taco. We got people parking everywhere, guys. It's crazy today. The homie Danny's M2 on TEs. Hella clean. Got the BMW 1 Series. The homie Idris with the F90 M5. Very fast M5. We got the homie Mark, of course, bagged F80 M3. Looking real clean. What's up, Andy?
Oh,
how are you?
Sir. Welcome to
What's
the club.
going on? How does it feel? Mercedes, and then you see all BMW.
Bro, I'm like the fourth Mercedes here. I seen another Mercedes.
Oh, there's another one?
Yeah.
Oh shit, okay, okay. So you're not too alone?
Yeah.
Clean E92 M3 right there. That's nice. Guys, so many BMWs here. Couple Evos. Gotta go catch up with the homies though. I think they left. They left me behind. It's clean. Got the Beamer, F30 dumped. Hella clean. Clear taillights too. Sick. The homie Andy, C63S. Let's go through here too. Got some BMWs. More BMWs. Even though it's Beamers versus Evos, it's pretty cool to see some other cars still pull up too. Probably one of the cleanest E46 M3s out there, guys. It looks so freaking good. That interior though. So freaking clean. For sure one of my favorite E46 M3s out there. That's okay, okay. Wait. Oh, why are you creeping up on me?
What, did you vlog?
I already saw the whole thing.
But I didn't walk around.
That's your fault.
Let's go look.
Oh, that's a sick low key. Clean F80 M3 on the comps. Bro, I should say, oh, that's what you need. You need those taillights, fool. You keep messing around, bro.
What up, guys? Lifewithkg, oh my god, big fan.
Sheesh, big homie Charlie. Fastest M4 in the valley. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Cracking. Sheesh. With that underglow. Fastest M4, guys. I think he's pushing like 1,000 horsepower.
Come on, bro. We have to get that celebrity parking.
Oh my god, bro. Look at Nick, look at Nick.
Damn.
Big celebrity, big celebrity.
It's a big celebrity meetup, bro.
Just to come back and party.
What's up, Andre? That shirt though. Sheesh. Look at it.
Everybody sticks out.
Stick your head out, stick your head out.
Got you a little gift. Damn. But it's broken.
Magical egg.
Kinder chocolate, Kinder chocolate. Sheesh. 340 with the carbon hood. All over Fresh Cakes.
Is that the same car as Fresh Cake?
My boy brought the diesel out today. Imagine he shoots all the black smoke in our faces. That thing sounds crazy. Clean M2 comp. That shit's super clean. Damn, this shit is crazy. Oh my.
All over Kenya.
Jeez, that's sick. Damn, look at the wing on that.
APR.
That's sick M4. What is it, like a blue color? Can't tell. It's like a blue color. That's pretty nice.
Damn, that's pretty
Oh
sick.
shit, look at
Like the light on
the
that
LED light. Sheesh. Look at that, guys. What is that, Andre?
Discotheque, disco.
Oh, now it's the dove.
Look at the dove. Is it?
Oh my god, bro, how many doves? Whose
Well,
wedding is
we have
it?
the same one.
Whose wedding is it?
No way we have the same tattoo.
Live fast. Invisible, die around.
Boys, we're about to head out. We're about to go get some food. We're all hungry. Shit. Dude, there's so many of us, it's insane. We got all of them.
I have your biggest.
We literally took over this whole parking lot.
Raising Cane's or Raising Kevin?
How does Andre come up with these?
I know, but he comes up with these things so fast.
Wow.
Live fast, live fast.
Fast. Die young. Invisible. Kid. I was in the Lambo, huh?
Yeah, you were in the Lambo when we came here last
Hey,
time.
hold up, Kevin. Next mixtape you drop, it's gonna be like that. Big, that's our sheet.
It's like a police car up in here. Bro, I wish you were able to see him.
Bro, it's like a little club in here.
Alright, subscribe, like, comment. Life with who?
KG!
Come on, all y'all gotta roll at the same time. All y'all gotta roll at the same time.
Alright guys, all the homies stopped with me to get gas. Damn, Rich! Alrighty guys, another great day with the homies. Hope you guys did enjoy the vlog. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care guys. Peace out.